Hello and welcome to a new challenge. Today, Omid's every other day Excel and Power Query challenge number 175. We should remove consecutive X's. So here, let's see. I've downloaded the task. Here it is. So in the ID column, remove all instances of X's if they appear consecutively more than once. So here it's only one X. It should stay there. Here it's consecutive more than once. It should go. I think I try this with this one. So first I split this into single. Oh, guys, why every time those tables? D4 sequence len of D4. Split it into characters. S for split. Now S equals drop of S. True, true, false. And now, can we scan this? Scan. Lambda A B. If. Oh no, this will not work. Okay, first, so I want something that here, if this is true, it should stay true for one longer. Okay, I know what I would need to do. So if RNA 0, yes, and then this I name X. Now I calculate X plus VSTACK 0 drop X. The last row has not worked. Yeah. Of course, there's no last column. There's only one column. So, and now, if this is, if this is 1, then I want to have nothing. Otherwise, I want to have the letter. And then we can concat this. Let's test if this will work for everything. Yes, except for this. And is this, where is this occurring? The sequence. Because we have here only one letter. If it would be like Rx, it would also not work. Okay, this is bad. S equals drop A. Yeah, okay, here it is an error because we can drop something. And also later, yeah, because we have here 0, X plus 1. This should work. Also, it is working. Okay. So I think we have there an edge case, but never mind. If error, then take the input. D3. So let's map this stuff in here. Map D3 until D10. Lambda A, and A. Close a few brackets. We're done. Now we also want to have this beautifully. So let the for data HSTACK take the first column, VSTACK index the 1 minus 1 and the result of drop data, the first row and the first column. Okay, is this wrong? Because HSTACK this, VSTACK this. Okay, should be alright. Let's see. Let's see. Here this is working. This is not working. I stack all of. I take the first column, which is right. Index can't work with index minus 1. Oh, too bad. Yeah, of course. Long day, guys. Sorry. Now we have the table. Can also format it properly. I ran into an edge case there, but at least it is not in the example. So let's see. Thank you for your attention. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.